Oh hey, it's editing me. Before we start this video, I just want to announce that the website is finally up and running again. So our online store has actually been restocked with limited stock, and we are now offering freeze-dried raw goat milk on the website, which I'm very excited about. That way, if you want to make your own goat milk soaps or lotions, but you don't have access to goat milk, now you can make them along with us. So be sure to check that out at threelittlegoats.com/shop, and I'll see you guys in the video.
What's up, everyone? I am Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and it's an early morning because we are officially in market season. So I've had a few markets already this year, but this is the grand opening of one of the bigger markets that I have. So I figured I would take you along today and kind of show you what a big market in a small town is like. So we've already actually got the car packed up because I had a market yesterday and we didn't really unpack much yesterday. So this is what it's kind of like to go to market with me. So I've got all my soap stuff, my tables, my displays. So we are ready to go. So while I am having to be socially awkward and peoply today, Jesse is holding down the farm and doing all of the morning chores. So I've got to get on the road and he's got some nuggies to feed. So we're going to go and leave him here. Love you.
Me too.
Be careful. Don't let the nuggies get your toes.
Yeah.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes,
So I am officially set up. The market has started, so I'll take you around and kind of show you what's going on. Like I said, we live in a very small town, but compared to last year, we've gotten a ton of new vendors. If you want to check out last year's video, you can check that out to see exactly how much we've grown. So let's go.
Good morning, Jamie. How are you today?
You guys all know Tilted K.
We are Tilted K Homestead, and we come to the farmers market to sell our plant starts and farm fresh eggs. I can talk this morning. Today I had some French bread, and I have jams and jellies, and we also have these cool keychains that Eric has made with his.
And you can get those on your website too now, right?
Yes, we can get them on the website.
If you want to check out their website, I'll link it down below.
Hi, I'm Joseph Korzinski, and this is Courtney Korzinski. We're Hourglass Tree Farms. We're a regenerative farm. We do a bunch of lettuce greens, kales, mustards, pretty much anything we can grow, you name it, we've grown it. We also have some plant starts over here. Every plant start that we have has biochar in it, as well as a natural fertilizer that we make all from scratch at our farm, so it's as healthy as you can get. We've been in business for about 4 years now. We also sell to Clinton School District. We have our produce in a nursery in Greers Ferry, as well as a restaurant now in Fairfield Bay, and we're just happy to be here. This is the grand opening of Melbourne Farm to Table Market, so hopefully a lot of folks show up and a lot of outreach to the community. We're trying to educate folks on what certified naturally grown is. It means that we don't have any pesticides and there's no chemicals whatsoever on anything that we produce. And it's really taken off. So if y'all want to come down and experience some naturally grown food, you should come out today and see what we have to offer. Yeah, we have a Facebook page that you can see us on. It's Hourglass Tree Farms at Facebook. Oh, we also have a YouTube and an Instagram. It's the same name, Hourglass Tree Farms. We kind of tried to pick a unique name, and I think we've hit that one right on the head.
Michael with Beyond Eden. We've got pasture and garden raised chicken, pork, and lamb that we raise on our farm with non-GMO feed. Everything's USDA processed and yummy. So.
Yeah, website, social media.
Not really. I mean, we've got a Facebook page, but it's limited what I do on there. So.
Where can they find you if you're not at the development market?
I see. I'm at Mountain Home on most Wednesday mornings and the first Saturday of each month, and then I go down to Hillcrest on Saturday mornings the rest of the time, and then Sunday afternoons I'm at Bernice Gardens in Little Rock, where people can get up with us. You can check our Facebook page for our contact information. Be probably the best bet.
Hi there, my name is Carly and we have Douglas Farm. We do farrier services and horse training, and then me and the kids like to come to the market and sell our farm fresh eggs from girls that wander around everywhere. They're real happy girls. We've started repurposing some of our feed sacks into gift bags. We like to make homemade artisan bread. We infuse oils. This batch is dandelion oil, and then my daughter has made, you want to say what you've made? Some bookmarks and bracelets. And we hope to see you here on Thursdays at Melbourne Farm to Table.
All right. Hi, my name is Loretta Shannon, and I own Little Homestead Market. My mother also has Diane's Ozark Quilts, and we have some of her items here. She has some little elephants that she has made and some neat pillowcases. And then I do the jellies and spice mixes. Our most popular is our salsa mix that we usually have for sampling when we do the farmers markets. And then we have honey, local honey, and infused honeys that's infused with herbs and spices. We are on Facebook. You can find us on there under Little Homestead Market in Mountain View.
Hi, my name is Kati. I'm with the Outspire Homestead. I make all kinds of wellness products, and I bake sourdough bread and some awesome cardamom buns. So please come and visit us. I do have a website. It's outspirehomestead.com, and find us on Facebook as well, Outspire Homestead. And yeah. You can find me also at Batesville Farmers Market. That starts May 11th. That's a new revitalized market, so that will be my regular other market that you can find me. And Tuesdays, I will try to make it to Mountain View, Stone County Farmers Market as well. So those are the 3 markets that you can find me.
So I guess I'll be making some more soap because this was my back stock from last week. So I'm out of lemon cake, I'm out of white tea and sage, I'm almost out of coconut sands and tobacco leaf, lavender basil. So yeah, I guess I'll be making some more soap here shortly. I'm also almost out of all of our creams. I do have a video going over making those creams if you want to check them out. But I'm waiting on some more ingredients to get these back in restock. So that is where we are at the end of the day.
So market is officially over. It was a really great market. We had a whole bunch of people come out and support the farmers market, which is amazing. And like I said, we are a small town with a big market for our size. Last year we only had about 6 vendors. We've doubled that this year. And we will actually have a lot more throughout the season coming as more and more farms come into produce. So it's really exciting, and that's what, that fence is hot, honey. We're getting ready to feed the nugs. All right. And I don't want to get shocked.
It's not that bad.
I've been shocked way too many times in the last month than I care to admit with hot wires. So I gotta say, it was a really good market, and so we're excited to watch it grow and get new vendors, and hopefully we can continue to grow. And for us, we know what to expect at our markets. We know we're a small town, so definitely not gonna make a fortune at our markets, but it's something that I enjoy doing, and it helps get our farm name out there. So I'm going to end this video now because, well, I have a gravy and a Tex somewhere on me, and we got to feed all the little nuggets. So I'm going to end this because it's getting late. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. This camera's not helping.
That's
But
weird.
take one. All right, y'all. So I'm going to end this video here because it's getting late. We got to feed nugs. Jesse's being attacked by Tex. I got Gravy down here waiting for her evening scratches. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
We got all these bottles over here. We got all these bottles.
It looks so empty.
It does.
So most of our nuggets have gone to their new homes. We are keeping Daddy, which is right there, and then Dorothy is the second one to the end. So we're keeping those two girls, and eventually I will get the other 4 listed. They're all dullings that we have left. So if you're local and you're looking for some goats, hit me up in the comments. So, but these girls are almost weaned. They're on once-a-day bottles, and eventually I'll completely wean them, but for now I'm perfectly fine giving them their bottles.
Oh hey, it's editing me. Before we start this video, I just want to announce that the website is finally up and running again. So our online store has actually been restocked with limited stock, and we are now offering freeze-dried raw goat milk on the website, which I'm very excited about. That way, if you want to make your own goat milk soaps or lotions, but you don't have access to goat milk, now you can make them along with us. So be sure to check that out at threelittlegoats.com/shop, and I'll see you guys in the video.